Various types of objects throughout the platform can be deleted by admins with sufficient access. When an object has been selected for trash, a dialog box will alert the user. Note the number of days that the object may be restored prior to permanent deletion. To change the number of days, go to Organization Setup and select a number for the Purge Trash After option. Items that have been scheduled for deletion move to the trash screen. Each item's type is displayed along with the user that deleted it, the date it was moved, and the future purge date. You may choose to bypass the purge date and delete the object immediately. Another option is to recover the object. Making this selection will move the object back to its origin without data loss. These actions are also available in bulk by selecting multiple objects and clicking the Manage button.